Chili powder challenge. Let's hear Alexis.
Oh, dang. Alexis, you put your water up.
You already started the video?
Yes.
When I wasn't even ready.
Too bad. You're ready now, aren't you?
No.
Too bad.
I'm pretty just going to use Mary's spot.
Hi, everybody.
Yeah, awesome. You know what she's doing. Chili powder challenge.
Woohoo.
I'm Alexis.
Ho, Sierra.
Chili powder challenge.
Is this nasty?
No. I got this.
Ow. You're getting it everywhere. Go up to the camera and show 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon.
Too much cheers in the goddamn
Nada.
No.
You have to actually fill it up.
I know. I put mine up all the way.
Teaspoon.
Damn. Get on my finger.
Chili powder.
1, 2, 3.
Wait.
Hopefully he throws hers.
Okay, I got this. You bring it. I'm acting like you listen. Pinky promise. Whoa, don't mess up.
Ow, your name.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Guys, we're gonna do it.
Okay, we have to do it.
Okay. 1, 2. Is it nasty? It is, I guess.
1, 2.
Come on, let's do it. You spilled it, bitch! You have to get more.
I spilled it. I didn't realize that. God.
Ready? It stuck to my spoon. I need more. Did you know I was gonna cheat? But that's enough. I'm gonna add a little salt to mine. Give it a little flavor. Okay, I'm ready. Ready? 1 teaspoon!
I'm going to show the camera.
Ew!
Here's 1 teaspoon.
Right.
Look at it.
Is it good? I can taste the salt. Tastes like fucking cigarette tobacco. Ew, how do you know that? Okay, ready?
It's fucking
1, 2,
thick.
3. Do it!
I had it around, but she's like, ah.
Okay, we gotta go! 1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna look at the mirror.
Ew! Let me use this thing. Holy!
Air spit!
Jesus help me! Ugh. This bitch is still going! Keep going!
Guys, I shit in the door.
Oh god, look! I spilled the water all over you! Oh my god!
Shit! I think I should have doing it.
She shit in the toilet!
Guys, my makeup cleared, huh?
Fuck! Fuck this shit!
Fuck puppies, don't you joking?
Oh my god. You really just said that on the video?
Yeah, fuck pussy.
How long has it been going on?
5 minutes.
Dang, shut up.
No.
Bye!
Bye! Bye, we tried, we failed.
Well, she did. No, we didn't.
She went the longest,